Hey everyone, welcome to this Windows channel, and I just want to say sorry for today. I was not able to do the live show. I was about to do it, and suddenly I got hit by this really, I started feeling really bad, and I think it has to do with maybe what I ate for dinner because I had pasta with shrimp, and I got the impression that there's something wrong with the shrimps, so I just, I was okay up to about half an hour before I started the show. I set up everything, and suddenly I started feeling really bad. Now I feel better. I'm a little tired, but I feel much better and taking it easy. Doing the bug bash. And also I wanted to do this little video to show that this is going to be the new setup now. Every live show is going to be done from here. And so with Sony TV there. And hey, retro gaming stuff, the Atari 1040, Amiga 500, and just making it a little more interesting to use the space that I've got here in order to do live shows. Sorry, so no show number 105 today. It's going to come back next week. I dabbled about, the idea of maybe doing it tomorrow, but I'd rather take the day to create some videos and do some stuff that I need to do. Also, have Wednesdays is the day where I like listening to some podcasts from the Thwip Network, Windows Weekly, Google, and This Week in Google. So I'll be doing videos tomorrow, and I didn't do the news bulletin also today because I came back home at 1 p.m. I had an appointment this morning, came back home at 1 p.m. and ate dinner and got sick. So really sorry. So don't look for the live show for this week, unfortunately. And I hope you guys enjoy the new setup. This is going to really take place of, what was there before. Smaller screen, but still, enough viewing size. And a better, and what's nice here also is the fact that every time I would go in the living room, I'd have to, make the setup. Then I'd have to remove everything, and it was kind of a lot of work. Now all I have to do is turn on the lights, and everything's already set up. I got nothing to really set up, so I can really do this in the last minute if I want, and just have the time to start a stream, and that's it. So thanks everybody. Sorry for the lack of videos today. We'll be back tomorrow with our regular news bulletin and live shows and everything. Hopefully back to normal. So thanks everybody. And I might do one little thing that I was thinking of. Because the slides are ready, maybe what I would do tomorrow morning is do a little roundup of the news from the past week in video form. It's not going to replace a live show, but at least I'll have my ranting of what's happening. And so everything is set up here, and it's cool. So I'm going to show you guys, for example, so this is the Windows Insider PC. I also have a Windows 7 PC in the back that is plugged in here. And of course I've got the retro stuff. So this, for example, is the Amiga 500 screen with the Amiga mouse right here. That works fine. I've got the Atari 1040 ST that right now is displaying, I believe it's a game. Yeah, it's look at that. This is an old racing game, or actually more of a driving game from Accolade, which is Test Drive. So kind of nice to have all of that plugged in and do whatever I want. On the HDMI 1, I have set up the Apple TV. So, I don't know where the Apple TV, okay, here it is. So if I want to, this is not a smart TV, so if I want to view YouTube, watch a movie on Netflix, I set up the little Apple TV right here, and got all the apps to go on YouTube, Netflix, do whatever I want. Of course, I can do that through the PC, but I like the fact that I got a device that will do it in itself, and it's kind of a cool setup that I've got here on this this setup basically that I will be using for the live shows. So hope you guys enjoy the setup, and this will be our new home for live shows. So thanks everybody. Hope sorry once again for the live shows, and of course we'll be back to regular schedule. We have live shows coming up Friday, Saturday for the radio, so hope you guys enjoy. Bye bye.